clarification on itunzu as a woman. First, do I buy nzunwoke or nzunwanye? Now I'm going to start with explaining the significance of nzu. Now, within the Igbo affirmation process, Egofo, what this thing means is that in the Igbo, if we want to talk with our supreme beings or cosmic beings or ancestral and familiar forces, we use a certain items for this affirmation process, Egofo process. Now the nzu, the white chalk, the edo, the kola notes, the libation process, all of them falls in under this umbrella of the Igbo affirmation process. Now the nzu, the white chalk, symbolically means a declaration of innocence or a declaration of purity. And this is why if you want to buy nzu from the market, from somebody that understands the Igbo traditional process, ordinarily,